Garmin Pilot. Connect the D2 series device with Connext. This video will show you how to connect the D2 series device with Garmin Pilot app and transfer waypoints or flight plans to the device. This video will use D2 Delta PX as the demonstration. Pairing. First, pair device with Garmin Connect Mobile. Garmin Pilot will automatically connect to the device that is paired with GCN. Sync GCN and the device. After syncing, open Garmin Pilot app. This icon indicates that Connext has been connected. Select Home on the left corner. Select Connext. To check the device status, select Situational Data. Select Back to go back Connext page. Select all devices on the bottom. You will see the devices that can pair with Garmin Pilot. Each device indicates some icons below, and those icons are the functions that support that device. For example, D2 Delta series, this icon supports GPS location. This icon supports two-way flight plan transfer. This icon supports matters, taps, winds, visibility precipitation, cloud coverage, temperature, dew point, barometrics pressure, and more. This icon supports next-ray radar imagery on the moving map. Select Home. Select Flight Plan. Add waypoint here. Use airport ident number to plan your flight. For example, WSSS, WMKK, WNKL. Note: the airport ident number has to be certified by ICAO. Select Edit on Map to view waypoint on map. To add waypoint, you may edit on the map or select Tap to edit. You can insert a new waypoint between other waypoints. For example, WMKK. Select Insert before or insert after. Enter WNKP. Select Edit on Map to view on map. Go back to Tap to Edit page. To store this flight plan, select this icon. Select Store Active Flight Plan. Flight plan has been stored. To send the flight plan to the device, select Connext icon. Scroll down to Flight Plan Transfer. Select Send to. Flight plan has been sent to your device.